Hello, you're welcome here. So I want to do a review on any app. So the app is EARNE. So you go to the dashboard after you register, then you scroll. You will see every kind of means of earning. Watch ads, watch YouTube video, watch as in do survey, make reels, but those ones they don't have any reel for you for now. Make reels. Why I like this one is that learn course. Look at all the courses. Imagine you learn them for free. You are not paying to learn them. You know now most courses online you pay. And this one is actually good because the kind of course they put here, there are things that can really help you also to make more money. So learn crypto, learn digital marketing through AI. I said I'll be coming here every day to learn new things so because I like this one. And you are earning. That's why I love it. So I decided to try learn crypto. So the thing is I clicked learn crypto and I noticed that when I left the learn crypto, I didn't finish it, so it did not count. So I saw they said it watch till the end. So you can, if not, it will not be counted for you. So I have to watch to the end, and I noticed that for every video I watch, you get 33 points, and 33 points is equals to 3 cents, and $1 is 1,000 cents. Okay, so I thought about it. Okay, if I'm doing 33 cents for one video, that means if I decide to watch all ads, watch all, which is not even possible to watch all the videos, and those courses they are much. In a week, you can get up to $5. You may get up to, depends on your daily input. In a week, you will see a lot. You get a lot of points because 3 cents for one video or ad, one ad or one video. Your surveys is there, your learn courses is there, so definitely you'll be able to meet up. And what I also recommend is I like doing these videos in the night, anything survey, because the data is cheap. I use MTN, so you can do 75 naira in the night for 500 MB. So imagine how many you can watch, and other any app you can do the same for. So sometimes in the night I just open like 3 or 4 apps and I watch videos. I Most times I prefer watch videos than survey. I won't lie. I prefer watch videos than survey because I might be working. I will just put on the ad, watch, and keep doing what I'm doing while it keeps running. So just imagine that you do this every day with your cheap, affordable data, especially in the night. You know what you get. So, and the video and the ads you are watching is just 60 seconds. It's even counting. It will count down for you. And when it count down for you, then you can close it. Sometimes it will take you outside the the app, maybe to App Store now. What you do, you come back, and before you see your point is counted for you. So that's why I love this one. I feel this is very good. So it's just the paying method, but that one we work towards that one. We work towards that one. So I'm out of it, and they gave me 33 cents for this one I just did now. 33 points for this one I just did now. So I decided to check other ones. I noticed that the micro tax they don't really have any. The make real there is none available, but there is always ads and watch video available. Then the games. If you are a game lover, then this one is for you. You get tired of playing games. There are so many games you can play. So I decided to click the review game. They have so many. This review game, I was even shocked because when I check The other one, the second before the last game, there was nothing found there. So this rival game, you have so many games you can play. Please, I beg. I like them for this. You know, some of these survey app, you just see no surveys, no surveys. You keep saying no surveys. It's very, please, it's not encouraging at all. But at least this one, you have options, a lot of options, not just surveys. So I love this one. So I check again. I check this one. And this one, you complete simple task, just simple task, and you get reward while playing the game. You answer some few questions.